guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate AI images on CapCut PC. So select your photo, then you're going to select AI tools. Make sure you've updated your app before. Then you're going to select AI effects. You can use either comic or surrealism. I'm just going to select surrealism for mine. You can select from these prompts, but I'm just going to select mine. This is a pro feature if you want to use more than 5 uses, but I still have 5 uses left and it's free. So I'm just going to type in pink princess elegant castle Barbie. I use this prompt a lot, so bows, bling, what else, jewelry, unicorn, magical. There. Then I'm going to select generate, and it's going to generate 4, I think, of the AI photos. It does take a few minutes to do, as you can see here. So I'm just going to wait for a few minutes. And then once it's done, there you go. It gave me these like 4 options. You can also slide it to the left. It will generate an image closer to the reference image, while sliding to the right will generate an image closer to the prompt. So if you want the strength to be more towards the AI, you're just going to put it to 80% and regenerate that. And it does like show like all the things that I wanted before. There's like pink in it. There's like some jewelry in it as well. And I'm still going to wait for it to generate, so just bear with me on this one. And it's more pink because I did put it closer to the AI generation, I guess. I like this one quite a lot. So just like the one that you like the most, then select apply. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!